Hi and welcome to this video. Here we'll be doing the comparison of Samsung Galaxy A52 versus Samsung Galaxy A72. So let's begin with the comparison. First of all, the Galaxy A52 is available in 4 variants and same is the case for Galaxy A72. So both of them are available in 4 color variants. Moving on to the weight, the Galaxy A52 weighs 189 grams whereas the Galaxy A72 weighs 203 grams. Now A52 comes with IP67 rating, which is basically dust and water resistant. Same is the case for A72, it is also IP67 rated and it is also dust and water resistant. And you can see the dimensions of A52 here, and then we have the dimensions of A72 here. So talking about the body, seeing the weight, A52 is slightly less in weight compared to A72. Coming on to the battery, the A52 has a 4000 mAh battery which is non-removable. Same is the case for A72. This is having 5000 mAh of battery which is also non-removable. Now A52 comes with a 25 watt fast charging and A72 also comes with 25 watt fast charging. Now both of them are USB Type-C connected 2.0. So if we talk about battery, A72 is a winner as it is slightly higher compared to A52. Coming on to the display, A52 shows a Super AMOLED screen having 90Hz of refresh rate. Coming to A72, this is also a Super AMOLED screen and it comes with a 90Hz of refresh rate. Coming to the screen size, A52 has a 6.5 inch screen whereas the screen size of A72 is 6.7 inches. However, the screen to body ratio is same for both the case, which is 84.9%. Coming to the PPI density of A52, it is 407, and coming to the PPI density of A72, it is also 407. Coming to the protection of glass, A52 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, whereas for A72 it's not specified. Coming to the processor, the OS of A52 is Android 11 and it comes in One UI 3.1. Same is the case for A72. This is also basically Android 11 and it comes with One UI 3.1. Coming to the chipset, it comes with Snapdragon 720G 8nm and the same is used for A72 as well. So it is also coming with Snapdragon 720G 8nm. Both of them are octa-core processor, so there is no difference here. And coming to the GPU, again there is no difference. Adreno 618 is the case for both A52 and A72. So basically in terms of processor, there is no difference as such between A52 and A72. Now coming to the camera, the rear camera of A52 is basically of 64 megapixel. Now it also comes with the ultra wide lens, macro lens and a depth lens. Coming to the rear camera of A72, it is also 64 megapixel and it also comes with the ultra wide lens and a macro lens. However, there is a telephoto lens and it is having a 3x optical zoom. So this is the difference of A72 when compared with A52. And both of them have optical image stabilization. Now coming to the front camera, it is having a 32 megapixel front camera, which is the case for A72 as well. So front camera has same specifications, there are no difference. Now coming to the video recording, it can shoot 4K video at 30 fps and it can shoot 1080p videos at 30 fps, and same is the case for Galaxy A72 as well. Now coming to the memory, the A52 is available in 6GB and 8GB variant and having a memory of 128 gigabytes. Coming to A72, it is available in 8GB RAM and it is available in two variants, that is 128GB and 256GB. Coming to the price, the base variant of A52 is available for 26,499, whereas the base variant of A72 is available for 34,999 and the higher version is available for 27,999 in the case of A52 and the higher version of the A72 is available for 37,999. Moving on to the pros, A52 weighs less, it is 189 grams and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 So these are the pros of A52. Coming to A72, it has a bigger screen of 6.7 inch, then it has a better battery 5000 mAh, and it has 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. So this is the benefit of A72. So now we have seen the comparison of A52 and A72, and I hope you have come into some conclusion after watching this and you can choose which mobile you want to buy. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.